In this recording, you will see the overview of the laboratory function where you will see the physical and chemical makeup of the product, and how eWorkplace apps, process manufacturing suite can help process manufacturers. Why laboratory? Define a new formula or recipe to meet target nutritional values. Perform what-if experimentation considering the quantities of raw materials used in the formula or recipe to meet. Adjust raw material quantities to meet target values of physical or chemical properties. Calculate the physical properties for specific business purposes. Let's look into the product. Let's see the physical property group master screen. In the group code, you can define the code for the physical property group. The sequence number denotes the preference you want to give to the physical property, based on its importance in the formula. Physical property is shown at the top during analysis based on the sequence number defined here. A description of physical property groups can be defined here. We will open the physical property screen. Here we can create a new physical property that defines the nature of the materials. In the property code, we will enter total calories. This defines the unique code of physical property, and we can add a description of the property. Property level can be an item or derived. If you want to associate the property with the stock item, the property level must be selected as the item level. Derived properties cannot be associated with the stock item. Weight, volume, and constant type denote how the physical property will be calculated and establish whether the physical property is a function of the raw material's weight and volume, or remains constant regardless of a change in the weight or volume. The factor is used to convert the physical property value from system weight and volume to unit of physical property. This depends on the type you have selected. The tag name can be defined based on your preference. Property unit is a unit of measure of the physical property. We can associate physical property with the group. These are the groups we defined at the physical property group master screen. Now we will go to the equation screen used for defining the equation for physical properties. Going to the equation field, we can modify the equation. For example, we have added the equation for total calories as total weight divided by 2.205 into 1000 into 0.47. Click on Validate. OK. This is how the total calories in the formula will be calculated. The adjust equation is the system-generated equation. We can define the minimum and maximum target value of the property. System operands. We can create equations using these system-defined operands. Also, we can use existing physical property in our equation. Before moving on to the physical property analysis screen, let's go to the stock item and see how the created properties can be associated with the stock item. We will open Orange and go to the Process Manufacturing tab, where in the Link Physical Property tab, we can associate different properties like carbohydrates, dietary fats, proteins, etc., that the material consists of. Let's go to the Physical Property Analysis screen. We will open the natural orange juice formula. On this screen, you will see the raw materials and the resulting makeup of the items like calories, fat, protein, sugar content, etc. We have physical properties and derived properties. Physical properties consist of all the properties associated with the stock item. In the derived properties, we see those not associated with the stock items. Here, we see the total calories that we created as a derived property. Users can also see which material affects which physical or chemical properties. Selecting materials having properties. will show the Materials of Property tab where we can see the materials when selecting the specific physical property. I will select carbohydrates. And we see materials with carbohydrates content can be seen here. I will select the material and change the property value for the chosen material. And we see that the quantity of sugar gets changed to meet the target value. With properties having a value checkbox, only those properties with some value will be shown. The system also alerts when the item does not meet the target minimum and maximum value. A new formula can also be developed using a physical property analysis screen, and research can be done to bring innovation in the formula. Benefits of Laboratory Module: precise product formulation with control over physical properties. Meet and satisfy the changing market demands by developing formulas based on specific market trends. What-if experimentation on physical properties empowering informed decision-making. Maximize cost-effectiveness. I hope in this recording, we provided insights into the laboratory module of the Process Manufacturing Suite. Thank you for watching this recording.